In a clean and quiet clinic room, Dr. Stephen, a dermatologist, is preparing for a facial treatment procedure on a patient. The light from a special lamp reflects gently on the surface of the patient's face, highlighting the areas to be treated: stubborn blackheads around the nose and forehead. With deft hands, he grabbed the sterile extraction tool, starting his work carefully. "Just relax, this won't hurt," he said gently, reassuring the patient, who was a little tense. Dr. Aditya knows very well that even though it seems simple, cleaning blackheads is an important step to maintaining healthy skin. He begins by slowly applying gentle pressure around the clogged pores. Occasionally, he gently wiped the thin sweat from the patient's forehead, ensuring the procedure was comfortable. Every movement of his hands was careful, as if he understood that cleanliness and caution were the keys to success in this procedure. In a short time, blackhead after blackhead was successfully cleaned. The patient's face, which was originally dull, now looks fresher. "It's finished. Try feeling your face," said Dr. Aditya, while giving a small mirror to the patient. With a satisfied smile, the patient observed that his face was now cleaner and smoother. "I recommend maintaining good facial hygiene so that blackheads don't come back easily," said Dr. Aditya before ending the treatment session. He knows that this job is not just about eliminating temporary problems.